Welcome to Igbo History TV once more. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Please watch this video. This video is a must watch. This is an Ebubeagu member nabbed by an unknown gunman. Ebubeagu is a hoodlum or set of security which was meant for protecting the people of southeastern Nigeria, but it has been hijacked by the selfish governors to kill and maim the youth of the southeastern Nigeria. Anybody they see, any youth they see, they kill. This one they captured today is one of them. It was captured and nabbed by an unknown gunman. He was one of those Ebubeagu who has been killing and selling their private parts for selfish reasons and using their parts for rituals and other evil practices. Please watch this video. This video is a depiction of what Uzodimma is doing in Imo State and other governors of Imo State. Uzodimma, including Ebubeagu of Ebonyi State and all the southeastern governors. This security outfit was originally meant for protecting people from the Fulani herders who has been killing people in Nigeria for so long. Nnamdi Kanu told them to create a security outfit so as to stop the herdsmen, but they didn't do that. So because of that reason, Nnamdi Kanu created a security outfit called the Eastern Security Network. After that, they went ahead and created a bag in order to counter that security outfit, which was meant to protect the people. And this security outfit is fighting against the people instead of protecting them. They are fighting the ESN that's supposedly protecting the masses. They proscribed the ESN and started fighting against them and fighting against all the youth in Imo State. And these people probably are also people from that region and other southern region, and even people from other regions. Just as some of them are speaking Igbo and bearing Igbo names and other things, I can't even say for sure. But what I'm trying to say is that watch this video and see for yourself. Many people have protested against this Ebubeagu killings in Imo State.
Ogun Mozambique of Amere, Hope Uzodimma and the Ebubeagu people. This Ebubeagu must end. We will put stop to this Ebubeagu. They are doing a very big harm in our mama, Oru East, Oru West as a whole. Killing our youth for no reason. Why? Killing our youth for no reason. Ogun Mozambique is the commander. Ogun Mozambique is the commander of Ebubeagu, killing his brothers and sisters for no reason. Why? Why? A bandit from Mozambique, a terror, somebody that they have marked a terrorist in Mozambique, come back here and collect Ebubeagu commander. It's not about Madole.
14 boys out to Lagula.
14 boys.
Let's go for revenge. And we want that man.
That
we tear them.
14 boys. What did the 14 boys do? What did they do? Traditional marriage. Can they Ebubeagu Baburu?
We don't stop army people now. Nothing they happen here. It they happen here now, live.
Capture by Uzodimma.
Now we through here. Nothing they happen. We are going to make you a man. I can't, Baba. SS. Anything will happen.
We are tired of the killings.
We are tired of killing. I love our mama. We get morale. Morale high. Morale high. One go home, put on my house. We dey go mama. We dey go mama.
Lasso.
We dey go mama.
Lasso.
No movement. Easy. Why back? I can't hear you now. Everybody,
No! No! No road! No road!
Yani Bukaye! Yani Bukaye! Yani Bukaye! Yani Bukaye! Yani Bukaye! Bukona ye! Bukona ye! Yani Bukaye! Yani sesi wiya. Ada Bukaye! Naija la wala ya Naija la wala ya Naija mbezu Naija la ya Naija Digaraban Naija ko Digaraban Naija ko Digaraban Digaraban
Gabriel Anyang,
Yes, sir.
police officer,
Yes, sir.
from State CID.
Yes, sir.
Whether you are sports council or whatever, this is Gabriel Anyang, a police officer from State CID. Today, stroke Ebubeagu, all this rubbish, idiotic police youth that's supposed to join the movement, the moving train, and you went and joined the slow train. Slow train, did they told you that that slow train is going to win? No. In this life, there is two things in this life, whether good or bad, or life and death.
Oh.
Since you have choose a wrong path to join rubbish police Nigeria Zoo Force, today will mark your end. Yes.
Lord.
Today will mark your end, idiot. Next time, try nonsense to join Ebubeagu. And I'm telling all this fucking youth that is joining Ebubeagu police force, Nigeria police zoo country that is suffering you people from being something that you're supposed to be. Ordinary Cameroon country. You go there, you will not see where NEPA will off for one day. But here in Nigeria, we are answering giant of Africa, and that fucking giant of Africa, no light in my place for complete 15 years. Thunder fire on. Young youth who can join hand and make sure that things will come together for us to fight the zoo and move them so we can be good. My friend, today is your end. Nonsense.
Yeah, I go to market in our local government. Yeah, we are government the whole Uzodimma that I met today. The whole go to market is on fire. Everywhere is on fire. All Ekoto markets. Bubble on fire. Everywhere is on fire. But it is well. It is well. The back of Aramea. Yako Hukaya. Yako Varameha. Hukaya. Yako Varamehi. Yako Hukaya. Onyekwa. Onyeko.
See what he did. See what he did.
Ekoto market is on fire. Ekoto is on fire. Oh, how about Usada? Eko.
Everything you have in life is great. You will never live to tell the story. Everything about you, you want to live with Abugono. Yes. You have to live with the Abugono. The guy didn't work over here. Oh, we can like this. What are you about to spend? Hey! Oh, yeah, you bought the money. That was the Raboya. Hey! You love any age over here. Somebody no lawyer. You repent. This is a go to the international market.